because we want to prevent birth defects, we want to prevent cancer, we want to basically have people have healthy hearts and healthy brains. So we're really trying to help the patient get healthier. Hi, my name is Dr. Edwin Lee. I'm a board-certified endocrinologist and also internal medicine. I'm a co-founder of MDLifespan and also own my own practice in Orlando, Florida called the Institute for Hormonal Balance. I started this practice to help people get healthy, and I consider myself a wellness physician. In regards to helping my patients, I consider one of the biggest challenges is to help reverse their biological age. So we do some special testing to measure their biological age, and in most of my patients I'm able to be successful in getting their biological age done or reduced. Other things that I do in my practice is to help them get healthy is to help their energy. Usually they're complaining that they're tired and fatigued, so we do some special testing and special modalities in terms of helping their energy. Most people who come to see me, they want to achieve wellness, they want to have a longer and healthier lifespan. And the third thing is they want to get off some of their prescription medicines. So Therapeutic Plasma Exchange, in layman's term, is like an oil change. We put 2 IVs, one in one arm, one in the other arm. We take out your blood, it cleans it out, you get all your blood back, and we remove about 3 liters of your plasma, which is kind of a yellowish tan color that has your old proteins in there, but it also has environmental toxins like microplastics. It has Roundup, which is found in our water supply. It also has a lot of like phthalates and volatile organic compounds. So it has a lot of environmental toxins that's in there. So we're just really removing this bad stuff and just cleaning your body out. So when you do one therapy, that helps, but you should do about 4 or 5 in 1 year, and then after that, maybe 1 or 2 afterwards, just as a maintenance. So Carrie has seen me, and as you mentioned, there was a death in her family, and she had a lot of stress going on. She has noticed prior to that, her main complaint was that she was losing her memory. She was slowly losing, she had this constant brain fog and just wasn't processing things fast enough. And what's really amazing is that she underwent 5 therapeutic plasma exchange, plus I gave some regenerative therapies with stem cells and exosomes and peptides. And her brain is getting much better. I mean, we measured her cognitive function by a test called the CNS Vital Test. Basically, it asks different shapes and different words to see if she can recall things and follow instructions. And each time she clinically gets better and better. Well, when she first came to see me, she was also emotional, so we balanced her hormones and I looked at leaky gut. And then there's some other personalized supplements to look at with some genetic testing, and we looked at her biological age. And eventually we talked about, let's do this therapeutic plasma exchange. So she underwent therapeutic plasma exchange actually here in this office. She did a total of 5, and each time she got better. But the last one really made the biggest difference. It was getting better, but the last one really was like, the one that she kind of like crossed the river or just hit the finish line. And some have been diagnosed with Alzheimer's, some people with just cognitive decline. But for Carrie, she didn't have Alzheimer's. She just really had moderate cognitive decline. And so I'm proud that she has improved. So I approach every patient with the topic of the benefits of therapeutic plasma exchange. I have a little video on my website that they can watch. It's about 45 minutes long. And the problem is the cost. But if you have the means to afford it, then it's the best investment, because there's no place in the world you can live in that you're free of environmental toxins. They say forever chemicals are basically found in almost every water supply. Microplastics is everywhere, and it's found in our body, it's found in our water system, our food system. So where are you going to go? There's no place on earth that you can go that's going to be free of environmental toxins, because we want to prevent birth defects, we want to prevent cancer, we want to basically have people have healthy hearts and healthy brains. So we're really trying to help the patient get healthier. We live in a toxic world. So if you believe that toxins can affect your health, which I do, this is the best thing you can do, the best investment.